This video highlights two crazy trails in Kicking Horse called Stick Rock and LYM. They're both crazy, have tons of woodwork, and Stick Rock specifically is just unreal. Like rock roll after rock roll, all connected with skinny ladder bridges, and then LYM just takes height and ladder bridges to a crazy level and just snakes all around the place. It's pretty wild.
Man, almost had a clean first shot. Fuck, that was not a drop. I should have, not a roll, I mean. Should have just fucking dropped it. Fuck.
I'm still pretty blown away I didn't fall off that last drop. At this point I was pretty tired, and you don't really get a great run up for this next like vertical raised berm, so I just skipped it.
Well, you know what? For the second attempt ever, I am completely okay with that. This is so far out of my comfort zone already. Oh, fuck. Thought my tire was going off there. You know what, I'll take it. I did every single rock roll. The last one, small one, didn't honestly go too well. You'd have to drop. Not a roll, should have looked. Holy fuck. But, first double black. I pretty much call that a successful run. I didn't do one feature. I'm calling it. First double black. This is LYM. It's got some of the craziest fucking ladder bridges I have ever seen.
It's hard to tell in the video, but there are points in this ladder bridge where you're 3 or 4 meters off the ground. That was Stick Rock and LYM. For my second season ever, I'm pretty proud of even making it down those in like even a remotely reasonable manner. I'm pretty stoked to get back out there and try and actually clean up those jumps, maybe actually hit that full-on vertical berm. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked with how much Kicking Horse pushed me this season. Like the trails here are unlike anything I normally have access to, and it really helped push my riding to the next level.
That was LYM. It's the best I've ever done too.